Hi folks, thanks for dropping by. Okay, here's the question a lot of people are asking. What version of Windows am I running? Is it Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10? The next question they ask, how do I update it to the latest version? Hi folks, Steve here. Today we're going to answer those questions for you. So come along with me and I'll show you first how you can find which version you're running, and second, how to upgrade it free. Let's click on Start. Start typing on your keyboard, just type WinVer. It's an abbreviated version of Windows version. As you can see on this computer, I'm running Windows version 2004. You can also click on Start, go into the settings, and in the bar at the top here, simply type About. And About your PC, it will give you a lot more information on this screen as to what version you're running. As you can see on mine, it's Windows 10 Enterprise version 2004. That will at least give you the version. Or it will also tell you if you're running Windows 7, Windows 8, or any other version that's been out since Windows pretty much came out. Now here's the thing. If you're running Windows 7, please upgrade, because Windows 7 support was officially ended on January of this year, so January 2020. If you're running Windows 8, not that I know many people out there that are still running that version, because let's all face it, Windows 8, in a word, sucked. It was a terrible operating system. Windows 10, well, definitely upgrade it too. Question I also get from people is, why do I even have to bother upgrading? Well, the main thing is security. Hackers are notorious for hacking Windows and utilizing various tools and measures to subvert security and to corrupt your data, hold you hijack or hostage for your data, demand a ransom from you, steal your data. A lot of it's to do with identity theft. A lot of it's got to do with blackmailing you if they turn your camera on and start recording what you're doing. As updates come out, they fix those bugs as Microsoft finds them. The second reason for updating is stability issues. Windows has been known to cause problems, and it can crash on occasion. Which brings up a good point. A lot of people always ask me, why do you support Microsoft? They make buggy products. Well, that's partially true, but when you consider how many computers are out there, how much hardware, how many different software packages and whatnot, they're never going to work together perfectly. But my answer is always the same. As long as Microsoft produces software, I will support them. Do you want to know why? Because I'm employable. Now, the third reason why you would upgrade Windows is simply because you want the new features. And as Windows advances, new, better features are coming out, and it's making it a lot more enjoyable to run. So let's go back to the computer and check how we get Windows 10 for free. Open up your web browser, and in the address bar at the very top, paste the following link in there. I will include this in the text below, so please do be sure to check that out. There's a couple of options on this page for Windows 10 Update. I always go with the second one, which is create Windows 10 installation media, simply because if something goes wrong, the upgrade doesn't proceed all the way through, or you get interrupted for some reason, or even if you have multiple computers, simply download this and you'll be able to save the file. Once that file is saved, run the media creation tool. And just for the sake of saving some time, I've already started the process. Click on Accept, and away we go with getting the upgrade on our computer. While that's running, something to keep in mind. Every version of Windows 10, now there's typically 2 versions a year. That's been Microsoft's modus operandi since it first came out in, July 2015. Since then, there's been 10 updates in total. Okay, here we are. We're back to upgrade this PC or create an installation media. This is where I like to select create installation media for using on another PC, or if you don't want to go all the way through the upgrade, you can simply stop it and do it later on. But click on next, select your language, It automatically detects your architecture and the current version of Windows, and off you go to the races. You can burn it to your USB flash drive, except I find that really slow. So personally, I like to just create an ISO file because almost everything can read it these days anyway. Well, I really hope you found this interesting. If you did, please take a moment and click on the subscribe button down below. Also, if you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Maybe I could improve it. You have some ideas for me on what to do next. I always like to hear back from people who are watching these videos to see how I can help you make your computing life a lot easier. Thanks for joining and have a fantastic day. Bye now.